So you're looking at the Ninja BN301 Personal Blender. It's small, it's powerful, and it comes with a set of useful accessories. And on paper, it promises smoothies, frozen drinks, and even sauces, all from a simple push-to-blend design. But does it actually deliver, or is it just another good-looking blender? Let's unbox it to find out. I'm Tina, and welcome back to our Shouldit Blender series. First, we have the instruction manual and a recipe inspiration guide. It's best to give it a quick read before your first use to understand the setup, safety guidance, and cleaning instructions. And as for the cups, you get 3 total. And they're on 20 ounces. You also get 2 spiral lids, so you can blend and take it with you right away. And there is storage lid too, which is handy if you want to seal it up and keep it in the fridge. And all of these cups work with the same blade assembly. Ninja calls it the Pro Extractor Blade Assembly, and as you can see, it's really solid. The blades are sharp and the whole thing looks ready to handle a wide range of ingredients. And to use it, twist it onto the cup, flip it onto the base, and here's the motor base. It has a 900 watt motor, and the surface is smooth, so it's easy to wipe clean. And there are no buttons or presets here, so this is a single speed blender, and you can control it just by pressing down. And now we'll blend some fresh ingredients and see how it performs. But before your first use, don't forget to wash everything with warm soapy water. Alright, you can tell this small blender has really nice power. It runs fast and presses down the ingredients smoothly without anything getting stuck or needing us to step in mid-blend. We also like how steady it is on the counter. A lot of personal blenders can wobble when they run, but this one stays stable and doesn't move around. Noise is pretty normal for this kind of blender, so you can make a quick morning shake without worrying too much about waking everyone up. Okay, as for the result, the drink came out smooth and even with no big chunks left behind. Honestly, we're really impressed with this performance. But this is only our first impression. We'll spend more time with it and share the full review soon, so don't forget to subscribe. If you're interested in this Ninja BN301 Personal Blender, there's an Amazon link in the description below, and for more choices, you can check our Shouldit Blender series. Thanks for watching Shouldit, and see you next time.